Welcome back, traders. Today we're going to be talking about the four main trading sessions. I'll be talking about when they open, when they close, and the currency pairs that are traded during these sessions. Guys, unlike traditional stock market, the foreign exchange market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This thing is essentially following the sun. You have a financial institution somewhere around the world at any given point in time that is exchanging currencies, trading this thing real time, every hour of the day, every hour of the night. So if you guys want to jump up in the morning, take some trades, in the evening, afternoon, there is a session for you. So let's go ahead and break these four sessions down, talk about the currency pairs that you should be looking at during these sessions. We'll go ahead and jump on into it. First up, we have one of my favorites, the London session. This thing opens up at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and closes at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During this time, you guys can be looking to trade currencies like the Euro, EUR, and then things like the Great British Pound, GBP. These are great pairs to be traded during this session, known to be extremely volatile. Next up, we have probably my favorite session. This is going to be the New York session. Opens up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I want to point something out. The London session and the New York session overlap between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. right? So you're going to see pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, known to be extremely volatile during these sessions. Another great pair to trade during this session, USD JPY. Guys, going into another session, we have the Aussie session. This here opens up at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and it closes at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could be looking to trade things like the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, great pairs to look at during these sessions. And then lastly, you have the Asian session, which opens up at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and closes at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Things like the Japanese yen are known to be extremely volatile during these sessions. Go ahead, check out these pairs, see how they correlate during these time frames, whichever time frame that you're going to be trading in, right? Just make trading fit into your schedule. And when you take a look at your schedule and you say, hey, I'm able to trade the London session, or I'm able to trade the New York session, or I'm able to trade the Asian session or the Aussie session, make that your session for when you're actually studying and when you're trading, and go through and back test and understand how these pairs react during these different time frames. It's definitely going to help you out, guys. Make sure you're training as you're fighting. Put in the time, put in the work, get to understand the markets, train your eye for what happens during these time frames and how these pairs move within that time frames, guys. I hope this video was able to help you out. If you want more free Forex trading tips, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on notification. Leave me a like below, a comment, maybe something you learned, or if there's any particular video that you'd like me to cover, I definitely got you. I also am going to include in the description and pin in the comments a free Forex course that I went ahead and put together for you guys, going over all the introductions of Forex, basic technical analysis, being able to use a chart, marking up the charts, a lot of powerful stuff with that. I'm going to go ahead and include that below. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Leave me a like, leave me some feedback down below. I'll see you guys on this next one. We're out.